How to make a cave text effect or Stone Age effect in After Effects. First, make a new composition, and the composition I choose like this. Then insert your text and add some arrangement to the text options. Then insert your text, whatever you want, and align it to the center. Then go to Effect panel and search for turbulent displacement. Then drag it and drop on the text layer, and go to the options and change the amount to 23 and the complexity to 7.6. At the beginning of the frame, go to evolution options and put a keyframe on random speed and go around further and change the random speed to 130, and your animation is ready. Check now. If you like my content, please press the like button and subscribe my channel, and if you have any comment, please comment below.